So over here you can see that I have this audio clip right here, and if I were to press the play button,
This is a test recording audio.
you can hear out the audio right there. So now you can see that this is a voice, and in this particular audio I can add in voice effects as I like. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on this particular audio right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under voice effects over here. If I were to go around and click, then right now it's set to none, as you can see, just like this. But what I can do is I can go around and expand this, and over here you can see that I got different voice effects that I can choose from. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and choose echo, for example, right here, and press the play button,
This is a test recording audio.
and that is what you have. You can go around and change around the quantity right here,
This is a test record.
and then change around the strength as well, just like this.
This is a test recording audio.
Then you got that effect right there. You can similarly go around and choose other voice effect as you like a robot right here, just like this.
This is a test recording audio.
And you can see that immediately the voice actually changes out. You can go around and change it to, let's say, for example, elf right here.
Is a test recording audio.
And you can go around and change out the pitch as well,
Is a test record.
and choose the one you like. And that's it. So these are all of the things that you can see. And you can also go around and see the commercial listed right here, just like this. So you can go around and see there's more of voice effects right here that you can use, like there's megaphone and so forth right here, just like this.
Audio is a test recording.
And that is what you have, and you can work around with the strength to strengthen or weaken the effect as you like.
Is a test recording audio.
And that is what you have. So that is how you can apply voice effects inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.